Today I'm going to show you how to sew a super fast and easy cutlery holder with a rounded top. The pattern pieces for this are down below in a link in the description box, but if you're watching from my website alohasewingcompany.com, welcome and sew along. So this is what it looks like when it's finished. They're great for any holiday. I like to make these for Christmas with my ornament bulb placemats. And here are the materials that you need. You need 2 rounded top pieces cut out, 1 rectangular piece, and I like to add a piece of decorative ribbon or trim to that pocket piece on the front of the cutlery holder. On the back of one of the rounded top pieces and on the back of our pocket rectangular piece, I have went ahead and ironed on some fusible fleece interfacing. This is completely optional, but it gives it a little bit of padding and thickness. So go ahead and fold your pocket piece in half with the right sides on the outside like I have here. The top is where the fold should be, and then 1 centimeter below the top, go ahead and place your ribbon or your trim and pin or clip it in place and top stitch all the way across that ribbon or trim piece. You're not adding ribbon or trim to the top pocket piece here, just go ahead and top stitch using a 3/8 of an inch or 1 centimeter seam allowance. Now get one of your rounded top fabric pieces. I'm going to use the one with the fusible fleece on the back. Again, that is optional. Put it with the pretty side of the fabric facing up towards you, and then place that pocket piece right on top, and then sandwich the other rounded top fabric piece with the pretty side of the fabric facing down. So the rounded top of your fabrics should be kissing, the pretty side should be facing each other. Go ahead and sew using a 1/4 inch seam allowance all the way around this, except for not across the bottom. Here is mine sewn, and you can see I did not sew the bottom closed. And we are going to grab the top layer with the fusible fleece and the pocket piece, and you're going to turn this right side out. If you didn't use that fusible fleece interfacing, go ahead and still flip this right side out and just make sure that your pocket piece is all on one side. You can see here that the ribbon of my pocket piece is facing the inside of the cutlery holder. So that's what yours should look like as well if you use ribbon or trim. So that way, when we sew this closed, it'll be facing the right direction. I also like to use a chopstick to smoothen out all of my edges. You can see the ribbon or trim is on the inside right now, and we're going to go ahead and press this flat with your iron if you need to. Make sure all of your seams are nice and open, and top stitch using about 1/4 inch seam allowance all the way across the bottom. Here's mine top stitched all the way across the bottom. You can clip those corners off right up to the stitches down here if you want to reduce that bulk at the corners. But now you're just going to flip your pocket piece to the other side of your cutlery holder so that the ribbon or trim is now facing the right direction on the outside, and smoothen out all of your seams on the inside of this pocket holder. And then that hides the open raw edges of the line you just sewed right across the bottom. Press it flat with your iron if you need to, and you are all finished. This works great using several different pieces of cutlery or silverware, and this is the perfect little addition to the rounded ornament placemat that we also have a pattern for. Again, the link below in the description box will bring you to those pattern pieces you can print at home. This is a super fast and easy project, great for any holiday, table decor, and it's such a great gift as well. Here's the ornament placemat. We also have a pattern and tutorial for that as well if you are interested in making these 2 cute things together. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have fun sewing along with me. Please, please, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see all of our easy sewing patterns as they're released. Visit alohasewingcompany.com, or the link is down below in the description box on YouTube to see all of our super easy sewing patterns that you can print at home so you can start to sew faster. We make sewing patterns for literally everything, from baby items, kids' clothes, decorations, holiday stuff and gifts, bags and more. And before you go, mahalo.